Modern interior design is no longer just a trend, it's a lifestyle. In 2026, homeowners are looking for spaces that are functional, elegant, and tailored to their way of living. Modern interiors are defined by clean lines, minimal clutter, and thoughtful use of materials, but they go far beyond aesthetics. They are about creating environments that feel expansive, calm, and highly personalized. Whether it's a small apartment or a large villa, modern design elevates every corner of the home, making renovations feel purposeful rather than cosmetic. Open layouts for flow and functionality. One of the defining features of modern interiors is the use of open layouts. Walls are minimized to maximize natural light and create a seamless connection between living, dining, and kitchen areas. This approach not only enhances flow but also gives homeowners the flexibility to adapt spaces for work, leisure, and social gatherings. Smart zoning, through furniture placement, area rugs, or subtle ceiling details, ensures each area has its identity without disrupting the open, airy feel. Material choices that feel luxurious yet minimal. Modern interiors rely on a careful balance of materials that communicate both quality and restraint. Stone countertops, matte or textured cabinetry, warm wood tones, and subtle metal accents combine to create richness without clutter. The goal is to use materials that feel premium while maintaining visual simplicity. When executed well, this layering of textures transforms ordinary surfaces into elements that catch the eye without overwhelming the space. Neutral palettes with depth and warmth. Color in modern interiors is intentionally restrained, but it's never flat or lifeless. Neutrals like soft grays, warm beiges, muted greens, and subtle earth tones dominate 2026 designs, layered across walls, furniture, and decor. These tones provide a calm, cohesive backdrop that highlights architectural details, textures, and furnishings, giving every room a time appeal. The understated palette allows homeowners to add personality with art, textiles, or plants without risking visual chaos. Lighting that enhances every detail. Lighting is one of the most transformative tools in modern interiors. Layered lighting, including ambient, task, and accent sources, creates depth, highlights textures, and enhances the mood of each space. Smart or automated systems now allow homeowners to adjust lighting throughout the day or for specific activities, making interiors not only beautiful but highly functional. Proper lighting ensures that spaces look curated and inviting, both day and night. Furniture that balances comfort and aesthetics. Modern interiors are defined by furniture that is functional, comfortable, and visually cohesive. Pieces with clean lines, subtle curves, and balanced proportions reinforce the overall aesthetic while ensuring the home is livable. Low-profile seating, modular sofas, floating storage, and sculptural tables create a sense of space while maintaining sophistication. Furniture is chosen to support the layout and lifestyle, not just fill the room. Incorporating technology seamlessly. In 2026, smart technology is integral to modern interiors. From integrated appliances in kitchens to automated lighting, climate control, and security, technology enhances convenience without dominating the design. The best modern interiors incorporate technology invisibly, ensuring homes remain elegant, uncluttered, and highly functional. Art, decor, and personal expression. Even in minimalist modern interiors, art and decor play a crucial role. Thoughtfully curated pieces, whether statement wall art, textured textiles, or decorative objects, add personality without crowding the space. Modern interiors in 2026 prioritize intentionality. Every object has a place and purpose, creating harmony rather than clutter. Sustainable design as a standard. Sustainability is now inseparable from modern interiors. Durable materials, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-conscious finishes make spaces both stylish and responsible. Renovations that incorporate sustainable choices not only reduce environmental impact but also enhance the perceived value and longevity of the home. Modern interiors inspire renovations because they combine beauty, function, and lifestyle. They create homes that feel calm, cohesive, and intelligently designed. By focusing on open layouts, quality materials, thoughtful lighting, and seamless technology integration, homeowners can transform ordinary spaces into environments that feel both luxurious and livable. These interiors don't just look modern, they feel like the perfect foundation for everyday life and future growth.